No. It looked cute on the model. I don't like this. I don't like it. And I'm pissed because I know I'm too lazy to return anything. I'm keeping this.
Hotter than the 6 in the summer.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Do my lips look little today? I feel like my lips look small. Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today is gonna be another haul. I've been obsessed with shopping lately. Well, not lately. Literally all the time, because I have a problem. I'm obsessed with shopping. This is no new news. Yeah, this is just gonna be a SHEIN haul. SHEIN is my favorite place to shop. Super affordable, super cute, super trendy. Won't sponsor me. Don't blame them. I don't have enough clout. Yeah, this is gonna be a SHEIN clothing haul. That's pretty much all the intro that we need. That's all the intro I have in me. I'm gonna be trying on some clothes. Let's get into it. Howdy, partners. I'm just gonna reach in and pick up like the first things that I have here. This is this pink like cutout shirt. It was so cute on the model, so I hope it looks cute on me. It's a lot more vibrant than I expected, but I'm trying to wear a little bit more color. Not all the time, but sometimes. So let me throw this bad boy on. I'm on the fence. This is very like, I don't know. It's cute. It's super cute. I could wear it. I might wear it. I probably will wear it, but I wish it fit tighter. And I got a small. Obviously, like it is like tight, but I wish it was just a little bit tighter, or like the material was like spandexy, you know what I mean? So that it like really hugged you. But I do like it. I don't know. So I think maybe it's this exact shade of pink with like a little cutout, but something is giving me very much like 80s vibes from this, like almost like 80s workout video vibes. I don't know. I hope that makes sense. Just cute. That's the verdict on this one. Just Next thing is kind of like this, not really a dupe, but like inspired by this dress by a designer. I don't remember the name of it, but Rico Nasty's worn it, and so did Kylie Jenner. And like that's what the print is inspired by. And I am just in love with this dress. I'm in love. I know not everybody's gonna like this. This won't be everybody's cup of tea, but it's my cup of tea. So let me try this on. Oh my gosh. Wait, are my knees ashy? Can y'all even see my knees? No, not really. It's okay. I'm in love. I'm in love. I love it. I feel like this dress just really speaks for itself. Like, what more do you really want me to say? I think it is so cute. Like I said, I know this pattern won't be for everybody, but it's for me. Upset. That would be such a dope Instagram picture. Like, or like this. Like, oh my gosh, yes. Yeah, this right here, this is it. And it makes my body look really good. I like the material of this, actually.
Look at the material. You should be going home anyway. You can be the judge of it.
It's so soft. Oh my God, it's okay. It's really soft. Like, it's really soft and it's really comfortable. And it's not see-through, which is important. Look at the back. The back has so much more color than the front does. Like, look at the front. Look at the back. It looks like the back should be the front, but I don't have it on backwards because the tag is back there. I don't know. I mean, realistically, I think it's symmetrical all the way around. I could just wear it the opposite way if I wanted to. I don't know. All I know is that this dress, this is it. This might be what I wear to the living room on Thanksgiving. I actually don't remember what this shirt is. What is this? Oh, this is just a plain black crop top. Now, the only thing I've worn out of this whole haul so far is this crop top, but in white, and I really like the way that it fits, and the material is good. Like of course my initial thought is like, why would I try on like it's a plain black and white crop top? But like, I've really got to show y'all this material, and the way that it fits is just so good. Like, I don't know. It just exceeded my expectations, especially because it was so cheap. Like, I know what y'all are thinking. It's just a plain black crop top, but like, it just fits so good. I don't know. Am I the only person that gets excited when something just really fits you the way you need it to? Like, this is the perfect fit. When it's warm out, I can wear it with like plain biker shorts like I'm wearing now. I can wear it with sweatpants. I can wear it with like jeans. Like, it just has such a versatile fit. I got it in a medium. Hold up, it looks like I got abs a little bit. I got it in a medium, even though I'm usually a small, because I didn't want it like above the belly button, like too much, you know. I didn't want it rib cage level. So a medium is like, it fits fine. I would say if you're gonna get this, go a size up, because I'm a small. And look how good this fits me. Next is this shirt. I'm gonna put a picture of what it looks like on the model. It looks so cute on the model. The model kind of looks like Maddie from Euphoria, right? Anywho, I tried this on because I was about to wear it the other day, and I was like, no, this can't be. I don't know. Maybe I'm bugging. Maybe I was being hard on myself. I don't know. I'm gonna try it on, and I need y'all opinions, because something wasn't hitting right for me when I tried it on the other day. It looked cute on the model, but on me it looks like I'm going to bingo night. I look like a medieval times extra. Like, what? I don't like this. I don't like it. And I'm pissed because I know I'm too lazy to return anything. I'm keeping this. I want to cry. I'm such a Cancer. I'm trying on a shirt that I purchased and I don't like, and I want to cry. I hate it. Next, we have a shirt that I have not worn out, but I wore it to film. I wore this in my closet clean out video. It's this oversized white button-up shirt, and I like styled it really, really cute. I'll try it on and show you guys what it looks like, and then like how I actually wear it. I promise that this shirt is cuter than what I'm wearing right now. I have to add, the material of this, really good. If this is your style, go for it, because the material of this is actually really, really thick. Okay. That's that. Look like I'm gonna put on socks and go sliding down a hallway, don't I? So it's oversized, regular white button up. I even like that the sleeves are like kind of puffy-ish. Like, I like that, how I can like push it up. So this is how it like fits, and this is how I wear it. I tied it here, and then I had a cute bralette on like underneath it. I don't have it on now, so I'm not gonna move and show you my boobies. But I had a cute bralette on underneath the top, so I had it like more open. It was really cute. And I think this is gonna be very versatile, especially in the summertime. I can wear it like oversized with biker shorts or like regular shorts. I'm obsessed with biker shorts, if you haven't noticed. They mean the world to me. Okay, when I have it like this, I look like a kid who's like playing dress up, but yeah. Oh, I want to try this glitter number. This is a cheetah print wrap top, and I'm really excited about this because it looks so cute online. I hope it's not too cropped though. We'll see. Let's try it on. I'm literally talking about I hope it's not too cropped. I'll be having my belly out in December, okay? I mean, it's cropped, but it ain't too bad. No, there's no way that this is this cute. I refuse to believe it. There's absolutely no way. I am a cheetah girl. Okay, wait. Hold on. I gotta tell you something. So I'm showing you guys the clothes, but I ordered some accessories too, right? It will all make sense. Just let me finish. I ordered some accessories too because I collect jewelry, and I have a funky earring collection, and SHEIN is perfect for my funky earring addiction, right? So, if you've ever seen the movie Cheetah Girls, Raven-Symoné's character wears these cute little star earrings in a bunch of scenes.
What? Now that we're stars, we need to start acting like it.
And I saw earrings that literally look just like those on SHEIN, so I purchased them. Do you see the connection I'm making here? I look like the Cheetah Girls when they were singing Cinderella in the first Cheetah Girls movie, which is so ironic because I, like, with this order, bought the Cheetah Girl earrings. Y'all, please don't make me feel crazy. If there's any other like old school Disney fan like out there that grew up on the Cheetah Girls or something, y'all remember when Raven's character used to wear these earrings? Oh my God, she used to wear these. I'm sorry. I'm really off topic right now, and I'm too busy singing Cheetah Girls Cinderella in my head to really tell you how I feel about this shirt. But I mean, obviously, I'm obsessed. I love it. I think it is so freaking cute. It is so cute. And like the wrap, like you can wrap it in the front, make it a little looser, wrap it in the back, make it tighter. I think it's so cute, and it's not too cropped, which is important because like wrap style crop tops, they need right under the boob, man. So this is important. This is cute. This shirt just changed my life. Next is this cute graphic tee. I don't have lots of, holy shucks, this is so soft for how much I paid for this freaking shirt. I don't have a lot of graphic tees because I don't like them usually, but I thought this one was cute because of the colors mostly. I don't care about what it says. I thought the colors were cute. This is cute, y'all. This is cute, but like a real chill outfit. I can wear these with some cute sneakers, or I have like blue skate low Vans. I can wear this with those. It's cute. And like I said, it's stupid soft. Like you're gonna want to sleep in it more than you're gonna even want to wear it out. And it fits nice. It fits like a regular graphic t-shirt should. Not too loose, not too tight. True to size. Don't show belly, but doesn't make you look too frumpy. Okay, the last thing in this haul, well, outside of like jewelry and stuff, because like y'all don't really care about that, is this cute little mesh black shirt. I thought it was so cute when I saw, oh, hold up. I didn't know it was like see-through on the body of it though. I thought just the arms were see-through. Ooh, okay, gonna have to wear a black bra with that. But yeah, it like puffs at the shoulders, and I don't know, it looked really cute in the model. I have not had very good luck with looked cute on the model today, so we'll see. Guys, this is really cute. The only thing I can't get by is I'm a little annoyed because I thought the actual body of the top was not see-through. I thought this was solid black because that's what it looks like on the website. However, it fits so nice, and with a pair of light jeans, this will slap. I know that for a fact. And you're gonna have to wear like a bra with thin straps, I guess. I don't know, it's weird because like I had to like tuck my straps there, you know what I mean? But the way that it is made, bra straps stick out. You can't not wear a bra with it because it's see-through on the body. I think this poses some undergarment challenges. However, if you can pull it off, black strapless bra, it's a look, okay? All right, guys, that is all the clothing I bought from SHEIN this time around. I order from SHEIN just about at least once a month, so sure I'll be doing this again soon for you guys. Y'all seem to respond pretty well to my hauls, so I just did a PLT one and I ordered clothes from SHEIN. I figured why not go ahead and show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorites were down below. Let me know what was ugly down below because all opinions are valid. That's not true. Everybody has an opinion, they don't matter. Thanks so much for watching. Head on over to my gram. My Instagram is usually popping, so go follow me. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Hotter than the 6 in the summer, dead ass girl I want. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I